Welcome to Vlogtober, week 5, days 28, 29, and 30. 3 days I'm behind on that. So sorry about that. Tuesday after work, I had to edit Yarn With Me and get that uploaded and ready to go. It took a lot longer than I thought it would, and I had to catch up my temperature blanket, which that's caught up, except for I haven't done yesterday's temperature today. I'll probably save that for tomorrow. Right now my hand kind of bugs, so I'm chillaxing the rest of my night. And we got one more day left of October, and that's Halloween, which is tomorrow. I also had figured out that I really don't need to use Voice Meter for just these videos. I think all it helped with was the volume, the microphone volume. That's it. I've got a filter on here that took the gain up 10 dBs. So, audio nerd right here. So, hopefully I won't have to fuss with it too much when it gets into DaVinci Resolve. So that'll be good. So we're gonna do our regularly scheduled stuff starting next week, with the vlog on Monday, Yarn With Me on Wednesday, and hopefully Frog It Friday, which I obviously have not shot one, and I'm not going to, not this week. Thumb problem. I don't feel like, I just don't feel like it. My hand hurts. My thumb hurts. So we'll be back to normal starting next week with a regular vlog and all the fun stuff. And maybe I can actually get some other things started and going. I've got the table mostly cleared off. There's some projects that are finished that are sitting up there. I got one that I started that's sitting on my table. 2 that need to have the ends woven in on, and I've got my sewing box and my hook case sitting over there. So as soon as I take those off, I can do other stuff, which hopefully starting next week I can start doing that. Anyway, it'll be short, simple, sweet, to the point. See, I still haven't done the filter yet. I hope I can get it done this weekend, because this is just, I need to stop being lazy with that stuff, because it's just like, I need light to see what I'm doing. I mean, I could use the hallway light, but I'd rather have the natural daylight, because it illuminates more and I can see more, so I can like get it, vacuum out that area and clean it up and all that great stuff. So it's like it's a small little episode, not even 3 minutes ish, whichever. So not a lot going on. I will get back to you tomorrow on Halloween. Ooh. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.